Potential energy. Yeah. Potential energy of a body, which is defined as what, tell me now? By virtue of its position. And previously we have seen the kinetic energy, that is by virtue of its motion. And potential energy is defined only for conservative forces only. Potential energy is defined only for conservative. For non-conservative, we cannot define the potential energy. And potential energy may be a positive, may be a negative, and zero also. If we have a body, potential energy of a body of height h from the ground, the potential energy which is given as Pe, which is at a height of h, then we can say this as mgh. Potential energy. Here we have taken a ground, we have taken, and let us say body of mass m which lies at a height of h. This is the height of the body which is h given. In this case, the potential energy which is equal to what, tell me now? mgh. And here we have taken the, whenever you are talking about the potential energy, do remember, first of all, you should take it as a reference you have to take. So I am taking this as a reference we have taken. This I have taken as a reference now. So potential energy is what, tell me now? mgh. Okay. Now, so here this one, this body which is above my reference line. Above my reference line, that's why it is a plus. Now, if we are talking about a body which will lie somewhere here, let us consider here, this is lies below my reference line at some distance of x, if I say. Then the potential energy of that body which is equal to what, you tell me now? Minus mgx. Understood what I am saying here? Whenever you are talking about the potential energy, we need some reference point is required. That a reference line means at this location potential energy 0. For example, if the body lies on this line, let us say, if the body lies here only, in this case potential energy of this body is 0. Okay, if the body lies on the reference line, potential energy 0. If it is above, positive, below, negative, on the line it is 0.